Hello everyone and welcome to this week's video tutorial on mid-game tactics. This will be board number 3 from section 2 of chapter 10. Again, we will be discussing various methods of attack based using the double central cannons. So without further ado, let us begin. So a quick short analysis of the board will show that red would have 2 cannons, 1 chariot, one elephant guard, 1 pawn. Black would have 2 cannons, 1 chariot, a full guard, and a pawn that has crossed the river. However, positionally wise, red has the supreme upper hand. Both cannons are now attacking the central file, and the king is already out. There's always the threat of an iron bulk checkmate. So how can red further his attack? Now the first move will be to play r4+3 to push the chariot over here. First of all, it would threaten to capture the cannon, but more importantly, red is prepared to sacrifice his chariot to capture the black elephant for the double cannon's checkmate. So red is prepared to defend by retreating c8-1. Red captures the elephant, using his chariot, and black tries to defend so that if black tried to deliver a check, a counter check, cross check, and this would be a checkmate. Checkmate in this manner. So if let's say if black chose to capture the elephant, this would be an immediate checkmate. Both cannons are now delivering a check. The king cannot move, or the kings will be facing each other. Now this is a very powerful combination, a tactical combination with the chariot and cannons. Red would immediately deliver a check by capturing the advisor by force. Now the king cannot capture, or this cannon will be delivering a check. The advisor cannot capture, or this cannon will be delivering a check. So the only legal move for black would be to play k5=6, and red would deliver a smothered checkmate with a chariot. So this would be today's tactical combination. Now I ran this position into my computer program, and let us see a very interesting variation. Okay, again, r4+3 is correct, it's sound. But let's say black tried to defend in this manner with c1=4. Again, red would capture. Black tries to deliver a check, tries to counter. Delivers a check again. And black uses his chariot and cannon to protect his cannon so that his king can come up now. But it would be too late, because red will still deliver a check in this manner. So +3, and now red would threaten to checkmate with c5 by traversing the cannon, threatening to checkmate with c8+5. Moves, and red would now deliver a checkmate by advancing the cannon or going for the iron bulk checkmate. So this is quite an interesting variation. So let us review this board again. First, red would advance his chariot to the cannon rank. Black tries to defend by retreating his cannon and moving over here so that the kings cannot face each other. Blocks if r7=6. Red would did cross check and then checkmate, or he could also checkmate in this manner. And since the cannon was moved, red would simply advance the chariot for the win. I hope you have enjoyed today's today's short big game tactics. It's quite a very powerful combination with the double cannons and chariot, whereby pieces from battery along a single line and simply charge ahead mercilessly. So if you enjoyed this short video, if you like the work that I've been doing, please do subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.